Oh, hi guys. Today I'll explain to you what a pitch is. So, listen to this map. Oh, yeah, pitch. Now, get out! That was a guitar. And do you know why the string notes in guitar are different? Because it represents pitch. Pitch depends on the speed of the vibration. If pitch vibrates quickly, it makes a higher pitch. And if a pitch vibrates slowly, it makes a lower pitch. What about volume? Volume is based on how loud or soft the vibration is. And it also depends on strength. Now, think of what will happen if you slam the door. The sound will be loud because you do it roughly. But what if you do it gently? The sound will not be loud. Why though? It's because the strength is less, that's why. Same as doing it roughly, because the strength is stronger. That's all from me. I hope it helps. Goodbye.